line up in waiting, runway 26. Here we go, take off. Bring up the power. Take off. Take off. That's the wrong way. Details. So let's cross track.
Good afternoon. My name is Marshall, the Customer Service Manager, and it is my pleasure to welcome you all on board today. Working along with me are lovely crew members, Amy, Katya, Karis, and Bruno. A special welcome to those of you returning from our Executive Club and those of you joining from our One World Alliance partners, as well as our British Airways American Express card members. If you would like to find out more about what we offer with American Express, please visit pa.com/Amex. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening overhead lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping, and the use of other smoking devices is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets which are fitted with smoke detectors. We are pleased to have launched a free onboard Wi-Fi messaging service for all Executive Club members to enjoy on board today's flight. To connect to BA Wi-Fi or join our Executive Club, visit shop.ba.com where you can access free messaging and discover more offers available. To keep up to date with the latest travel trends, to find an original guide to your destination, or tips on how to make the most of your time in the sky, read the digital version of iLife magazine for free via the daughter Wi-Fi login screen on your personal electronic device. In-seat power is available within your seat area and will be ready for use once the seatbelt signs are switched off. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers. Video and phone calls are also not permitted at any time during the flight. We are about to start our onboard service. If you have a food allergy or would like information on specific allergens on today's flight, please contact any member of the crew. For those of you seated in Club Europe, we will be offering a choice of meal and drinks from the bar. In Euro Traveler, we will be offering you a complimentary water and a snack. This will then be followed by High Life Cafe service. If you would like to purchase from a selection of High Life Cafe items on today's flight, please connect to BA Wi-Fi and visit shop.ba.com to discover the items available or refer to the menu card in your seat pocket. We invite you now to make yourself at home and enjoy our hospitality. If there is anything that my team or I can do to make your journey more comfortable, please let us know. Thank you.